Hello friends, I am Benisam, register number U15CS00 from 3rd year CS department, and today I am going to explain to you the sixth program in Compiler lab, that is single pass assembler for SLC. Aim is to simulate the concept of single pass assembler for simplified instructional computer. Actually, assembler is a program that accepts as input an assembly language program source and produces its machine language equivalent to object code along with information for the loader. Algorithm: open and read the input file. If the input line has the opcode start, do the following. Find if there is any operand file after start. Initialize the LC to the operand value. Otherwise, if there is no value in the operand field, then LC is set to 0. Write the input line to the intermediate file. Do the following steps until the opcode is end. Check the symbol table. If the symbol is not available, then enter that symbol into the sim tab along with the memory address in which it is stored. Otherwise, the error message will be displayed. If there is a opcode, if opcode is present in the op tab, then increment the LC by 3 and start writing the location counter, opcode and operand fields of the corresponding statement to the output file along with the object code. Else, if it is word, increment by 3. If it is byte, then increment by 1. If it is RESW, increment by the integer equivalent of the operand value multiplied by 3. If the opcode is RESB, then increment the LC by the integer equivalent of the operand value. If there is no symbol or label in the operand field, then the operand address is assigned as 0 and it is assembled with the object code of the instruction. So here we have the source code, package exercise 6 COMP. Import, here we import all these classes as buffer reader, buffer writer, file not found exception, file reader, file writer, IO exception, and hash table. So here we have the program. Here we initialize the hash table OP to ready OP table. Hash table sim equals new hash table of 30. Then we give the buffer reader statements to enter the documents. String line title equals is given. Int LC equals 0, start if equals 0, while line equals br.readline not equals null. If line contains start, string C equals new string of 10, C equals line.split, title equals C of 0, if C dot length equals 3, start equals integer dot parse int C of 2, 16, LC equals start, else we give start equals 0. Then if the line contains end, convert it to hex string LC int length equals LC minus start, LC equals start. br.close, wr.close. Here we close all the statements. Buffer reader br1 equals new buffer reader, new file reader. Then we go to the path name, that is users documents, and we find a particular file. Then we read the line. If it is null, it contains start, then we print the integer to hex string start, else if it contains end, we print integer to hex start. So next we give another that is the private string to 6 string word. Here we initialize the string line hash table op, hash table sim, int lc and int start. So this is the object code to print strings. So at the end we write the buffer reader statements as shown here. system.out.println label already exists. This is to print the, if the label already exists, then it gives the integer value. And so at last we give the private static hash table ready op table throws exception hash table op equals new hash table 30 buffer reader br equals to buffer reader new file reader pc documents exercise 6. Again we go to the path name, then we give br close. So this is the program of, we give the input files as copy alpha beta, and this is the output is given, all the values are displayed as shown. Thank you.